guys, how excited are we?
How many times are you going to ask us? पहले ये बता.
How excited are you?
Full on for the second time. Full on
For
excited.
the second time, have you watched it already?
আমি অত ধোকেবাজি করতেছি না।
তাহলে second
ব্যাপারটা
time?
হচ্ছে কি, আমি একবার বললাম কিন্তু ভিডিও রেকর্ড হয়নি, তাই জন্য ফর দ্য সেকেন্ড টাইম ব্র্যাকেট 2
How excited are you on the scale of 1 to 10?
100.
Yeah, exactly.
100? Then show some of it on your face.
I can't. I'm very drunk.
On the scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
9.5
9.5 কোথায় গেল?
0.5 সবসময় একটা মানে ব্যাড ইয়ে থাকে আমার
বরুণ
ব্যাড এক্সপেরিয়েন্সটা
See yaar, bus kill একদম।
because already Orithro gave me a spoiler.
Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.
0.5 Orithro ব্লগটা দেখবি তো হচ্ছে স্পয়লার দেওয়ার জন্য তোকে অনেক বড় এটা আর হচ্ছে
My vlog এটা।
আর হচ্ছে নেক্সট টাইম থেকে যে কোনো মুভি তুই দেখতে যাবি তো মুভিটার স্পয়লার তুই আগেই পাই যাবি, কারণ কি মুভি আমি আগে দেখিনি।
On the scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
Look at my face. I'm pretty much excited, but I'm in
Can't
melancholy at
look
the
at your
same
face.
Our case is
Look
like
at my eyes.
Siddharth and Arjun Kapoor. No expressions at all.
Arjun Kapoor, straight
time.
face.
I am also excited and in melancholy at the same time because Payal said that Zendaya's life is in a bit jeopardy. So my excitement is a little bit shaken off because of that, because of this boy.
কেন আমি কি করছি?
Has he already spoiled it for you, the movie?
No, he didn't spoil it, but he tried to indirectly.
তবে
Right now.
Don't pay any heed to this boy then. How excited are you on the scale of 1 to 10?
সেফ
On a 1 to 10, fuck you, Orithro, for giving me the spoiler.
Oh, right, you have already received a spoiler.
Yes, that was a fucking spoiler. You cannot say that it's not a spoiler, okay?
Orithro is going to hell for sure. Yo. তুই এখানে অপ্সরা এক্সপেক্ট করতেছে, ইয়া অপ্সরা এক্সপেক্ট করতেছে। তো বছর পরে ও পন্ডিচেরি
Last October তো আমি চড়ছি। আমার ফার্স্ট
ফার্স্ট টাইম ট্রেনে
After 4 years.
আফটার 3-4 days
বছর পরে চড়ছে।
After a lifetime, an eternity probably. I'm going to review this jhal muri, which I have asked
Louder.
I asked the person to make this a little bit less jhal.
Let's jal, okay, let's face.
But the irony is it's called jhal muri.
Okay, let's taste
Try this.
ঝালমুড়ি উইদাউট ঝাল
without jal.
Yes, let's try
But
it.
your one is spicy, right?
সেম
Oh, same.
Yeah.
I have to sacrifice for this guy.
Yeah, the muri is quite crunchy enough, and the mixture of the
Then it is not jhal mudi enough.
It's all right. Yeah.
Crunchy মুড়িতে ঝাল মুড়ি হয় না,
But I like
মুড়জানা মুড়ি।
I like the mixture of the spices here. He has done quite a fantastic work. However,
Fantastic
due
work.
to my excruciating pain in my
Yes.
molar teeth, I'm going to have to eat it quite consciously.
You should see a dentist.
I have already seen Ontora's brother. He's a very nice dentist.
শুধু হাইয়ার বা লাভ মেরি কিলেও অর্ণবের নাম নেয় না, আমি খুব বেশি হয়রান হই।
প্লিজ
ও ভাই
Evening is in Yana Tuesday.
आंटी একটা আছে না, বলনা আন্টি আও क्या
So bad, but he does it so well.
ওই দেখ বলে হি সো ব্যাড বাট হি ডাজ ইট সো
See, not
बोलना आंटी आऊ क्या बोलना नहीं आऊ क्या একটু দুঃখের ভাবে তাকাবে হাসিস কে হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
तो ऋषि है तो क्या ওদের 27 ও সাইজ
Yo yo.
Finally we are here.
Where are we right now?
City
Outside
center. We are so
Why
excited.
have we arrived here to watch Spider-Man?
Full hype, full hype.
No way home. Yay!
No way home.
and we are far from home কি পারলাম না
আমরা বলেই নেই।
Right now, it's 11 a.m. and I'm
This
still...
vlog is going to be up on my channel after a week or so.
So,
They are going to
people
suggest.
from the future, I am from the past, hi, and people who are going to watch this
Fuck
in the
you.
upcoming days. No! Please do follow her on Instagram.
Oh, Instagram.
Yes,
Thank
follow
you.
her. Don't follow me. I am not follow like.
And also subscribe to my channel. না বলে কি
টয়লেট এক প্রেম কথা my one and only one love of my life
is toilet. Is this your first film after the lockdown thing?
After the lockdown, in my whole life, it's the first film I'm gonna watch it in a cineplex.
Oh yes, it's her first time at the theaters. First
This is
time
gonna be my
at
first experience. Better it be special.
Issue করে দেখে নে
বারবার ওয়াশরুম
You should have vlogged on back.
issue
What is this behavior?
পূজা
Sanjay, what is this behavior?
pick it up if it bothers you.
আর ওই ডায়লগটা কি যেটা তোরা দুজনেই তো
से पागल के you bitch. अभी वो बोलते कि अंग्रेजी गाली अपने पास ही रखो. हिंदी में ये करो मत.
Is not allowed here. Why?
কিন্তু তো কোথায় কি করতেছিস
issue reaction.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go.
What have you ordered?
Spicy classic burger for rupees 89 classic.
89 and 99 rupees extra for
Dip sauce.
it's hot. We didn't order that one.
It's hot.
It's hot. And we are broke.
But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door.
Yummy.
A pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that shoots is the wish of Bonnie and Ben. Dolls that will talk and will go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly
ব্লগ হচ্ছে সবাই ঢুকতে যাচ্ছে বিফোর গোয়িং ইনসাইড হ্যাঁ
এক্সপেরিয়েন্স পরেরটা পরে রেকর্ড হবে
হ্যাঁ সেটা পরে দেখা যাবে
আফটার
বেঁচে আসলে আমি যদি বেঁচে আসি তাহলে হ্যাঁ
ফটো তোলার ধুম দেয় টুরুলাম
ওই ফিল্মটা দেখেছো তুমি
যা যা সবাই দাঁড়ায় গেছে হ্যাঁ 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 প্লিজ ওর মতন কর ওর মতন হ্যাঁ লুক দে লুক আরেকটু চুলটা আগে কর আমরা চুড়ালে সেলফি how was the experience
এভারেজ ছিল অত ভয়ের না বাট লাস্টে
on the scale of 1 to 10 কত 5 very scared
not so
On a scale of 1 to 10, I am going to rate it 0.5.
0.5 oh my not scary at all
There's a tree in the Grand Hotel.
ফাইনালি দ্য টাইম হ্যাজ কাম
What will be your take?
We'll like
very excited একদম very
I just want to watch all these Peter Parkers who are going to come from the different multiverses.
no spoiler guys
I will give you all the spoilers after watching this movie.
now tell me what you feel
How's the
very
Joel?
very very high very high no way home
পুরো ফাইনালি
only
ফার্স্ট টাইম এরকম ভিড় পাচ্ছেন এখানে। হ্যাঁ আগে
আগে কোনোদিন ভিড় পাইস নাই?
I was so enchanted.
Please don't die. Please
We are
don't.
tired of shedding tears at the
Yes.
end of every Spider-Man movie.
Yes, please. Not everybody, yes. Please don't die. Please
Amazing
don't die.
Spider-Man. I don't want to chop onions anymore.
এসব কি?
Guys, how excited are we?
How many times are you doing class? पहले ये बता.
Because I am that excited.
So I can see that.
What's the time right now?
1:06.
And our show is at 1:10.
And we just can't wait for it to start.
Hi guys, we have just entered
the cinema hall and now we are excited to watch the Spider-Man movie.
After 2 damn years, I
Oh
mean.
yes, this is just Spider-Man!
আমি ফোন সাইলেন্ট করতেছি বাই চান্স কেউ কল করতেছে সাইলেন্ট করতেছি
Everyone, phone silent.
I know.
After like 2 damn years, I am here. People are coming in. I'm not sure if I can contain my excitement right now. I don't even know what I'm saying. আচ্ছা, is it okay now? আমি পিছন ক্যামেরাতে করছি বিকজ লো লাইটটা ভালো আসবে, সামনে ক্যামেরা লো লাইট খারাপ।
We are pretty much excited.
Pretty much, we are super excited.
Super excited, yes.
Also, this is my first Marvel movie at the theater.
My too. I'm not
So he has all. Acha, 4 of us.
Four of us.
Acha.
Vikram and Vishal is experienced
Yes, they have watched Endgame.
and many more. Vikram said he watched all the movies in theaters.
Acha.
I'm feeling jealous of him now.
I'm not actually because
I was not born that
I was
Spider-Man,
late to the.
2002.
Okay.
I was 1
I was
year
late
old.
to the party.
Shabash. I'm proud of you.
So,
I'm proud of you.
so I didn't hit the record button. I'm going to say it again. This is my first experience. Yes. Double battery.
Yes.
But true sense the double battery. This is my first
Triple battery.
experience.
Joke as well.
Oh, triple battery, yes. Okay, so where was I? I always get interrupted. So what I was saying was that I don't know if you can hear me right now, but this will be the first time I'm experiencing a 3D cinema. Although I've had a little bit of experience with the 3D thing before, but if you ask me about the cinema thing, so this is the first time. I think it's going to be fun. It's a real struggle for people like us.
Hey, Dr. Connors. Hello, Peter. You know what? I got it.
The movie was
We all halfway cried, halfway laughed through the film.
Don't take college.
देखो hyped at the word chilo.
Just wait for another year. Don't do anything wrong. Don't take admissions courses.
Movies সাথে কি রিলেশন এটা?
It's a spoiler.
ও আচ্ছা, MIT.
MIT.
My head hurts like anything. উফ, মাথা যা ফাটতেছে না ভাই, আর জীবনে।
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
কি ব্ল্যাক
Full exhausted.
Zoom the screen.
এটা হবে না, এটা ইনস্টাগ্রাম না।
And give me this. Let us vlog a bit. So right now Pali is in possession of Sanchita's phone. I don't know what he is going to do with it, but he is pretty much excited even after watching the movie. I don't know for which reason specifically. However, I am
Specifically, I am more excited to watch next movie Doctor Strange because I will not give you spoilers.
But you already gave the spoiler.
Doctor Strange movie.
সিনটাই নিয়ে নিছি।
Okay, guys, you will be really excited after you come to know that the post-credit scenes of Spider-Man No Way Home has a massive hint and an Easter egg of Doctor Strange. His evil counterpart against his real self will be there in the upcoming Doctor Strange movie. Marvel Cinematic Universe is progressing towards a new age, and I'm really excited for it. Here, Bali.
So I am giving back the camera to our Deadly.
Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog.
ফুল বাজে একদম প্রচন্ড ব্যথা করতেছে এখন আমার মাথা ভালো লাগছে না
We are in the hangover of the 3D effect.
Yes.
3D effect. Never watch a movie
In 3D.
Full hangover, friends.
You gonna pay more, but
Watching 3D
this
together.
one.
Especially with people with specs. Do not watch a movie in 3D.
And people who have specs still don't wear it.
I really wouldn't recommend 3D watching. Please don't watch movies in 3D. Please don't.
But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your
Ram.
Jingle belwa, jingle belwa, jingle belwa, bajela. पक्की दाढ़ी वाला सेंटा झोला लेके भागेला घर घर जावेला प्रेजेंट देवेला
ওটা বললো না তাহলে লাভ নাই
पक्की दाढ़ी वाला सेंटा
and also subscribe to my channel না বলে
पूर्व प्रेम